How to reset TP-link Eap225. Hi everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to easily reset your TP-link Eap225 to factory default settings. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to power on your device. You can see the green light here if the device is already powered on. Now, let's locate the reset button. You can find the reset button inside of this unit. I'm gonna open it now. Here's the reset button, friends. Press and hold this reset button until the green light starts blinking. Then quickly release the reset button. Press and hold this reset button until the green light starts blinking. Then quickly release the reset button. Your device will now restore to factory default settings. That's it on how to reset TP-link Eap225. You can see here the default access at the back. You may now access and configure your device. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.